Scholars, next we're going to look at a model of finding an area of a parallelogram. You can use a formula to find the area of a parallelogram. This is slightly different than using the composing and decomposing method that we used in the picture it. So let's see what this looks like. So here's our same parallelogram, just like we saw with Alec and Kenji. It's on grid paper because we see the individual boxes in there. And yesterday we talked about bases and heights of parallelograms. And you took a little bit of time to identify base and height in our independent practice. So here in this parallelogram, we have a base of 10 and a height of 4 centimeters. So here, just like yesterday, we actually counted along the base and we have 10 individual boxes that make up the 10 centimeters. And then at any point along the base that we choose, if we go from the bottom to the top, we're going to get 4 centimeters. Remember, where the base and the height meet, that's perpendicular, meaning it makes a right angle. So the area of a parallelogram, the formula for that is taking the base and multiplying it by the height. If we write it in a shorter format, it's A for area equals B for base times H for height. If we take the values that represent B for base, if we look at our picture, the base is 10. So we replace 10 with 10 for the letter B. And then our height is 4 centimeters. So then we have to replace the height with 4. So now we have our formula, and then we replace that formula with our numbers. So now we can calculate the area. So here is a little bit simpler, I'll say, because we're not cutting up the shape and making new shapes. We're simply counting the numbers in our grid to find the base and counting the distance from the base to the top of our shape to find the height and multiplying the two. So just like in the picture, my question to you is, what is the total area of this parallelogram? So we're going to pause one more time. We're going to go in the chat. And then after this, we're going to get into breakout rooms and we are going to compare the two strategies from the picture it and the model it.